Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ferdinand Kjær, CEO of CodersTrust, speaking. I'm sitting here with the brains of CodersTrust, our software developers. And what we're going to do here in this brief video is that we're going to give you the tour of the CodersTrust platform that we've been working on for some time now. And what we're going to do is we're going to give you the whole process for the students, how they log in, how they learn, how they can participate in the online activities. Then afterwards we're going to go through the the perspective of the mentor, how he logs in and which tools are available for him. And finally we're going to go through the admin panel, where you'll be able to see what kind of data we're able to retrieve and look at from there. So with those words, I'm gonna give the mic to Maruf, and he's gonna walk us through the process.
Okay, thank you. I'm Maruf, uh, the project manager of CodersTrust. Now I'll show the procedure of the use case of our application. And this is the login page, and there is some functionality to log in by using social connections or manually. There is another option if you forgot your password. And now I will log into one of student account. This is the profile of a student, and right now I am using my demo account, and this is the short description of the student profile. And then this is the matrix of student learning progress and his activities. So here the web development course, this is the skills, and this is the progress of skills, and this is the overall progress of the whole course. And this is two statistics. One is the rank of the student among all the students, and the average earned marks during the course. And these statistics are coming from forum. The number of questions they have asked to the forum, and number of answers they have posted into the forum, and some other statistics like views, answers, etc. And there is another option, that is peer group. So in our class, students are splitted into different peer group. They have 5 to 6 members in a group, and we will show the overall performance of the group, and we will also add the rank of a group among the groups. And right now I have added only 2 accounts to show the demo. And this is the functionality of the profile. And then we will go to learning center, and there is 2 courses. One is city trial and another is web development. And this is the main course, web development, and this is the trial course. And we will go to the course page, and this is the course overview. And these are the skills of the course, like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery. They can navigate through the skills, and then the topics, and then the contents. And this is the actual contents for online use. Actually this curriculum is only for blended learning students, so they will learn in class and they will use this material when they are in home. And by navigating these menus, they can learn different attributes and different topics from here. And then there is another functionality, that is forum. This is the student forum. So there is different categories like education, loan, or work. So they will ask question to the forum, and other students will answer, or our mentor or some back office guy will answer their questions. And so from here a student can ask question. So this is a test question. So this is the question. We can see the statistic of answers and how many people have seen these questions. So a student can like this question and can view these questions and can reply answer. So any other student can write reply and it will show there, and other students can vote or can like these answers too. And then student will be able to search the questions and answer from here. So test, and this is the only one. So this is the functionality of the forum actually, and these statistics are showing into the student profile, that when I have added question and answer, it's coming to this profile. And there is another option, that is Google Hangout session. So every day for 1 hour, the mentor will be available on Google Hangout for open office hours, and student will join directly to the event during the hour, and mentors will discuss with the student online, and they will give online support to the students if they face any problem in their home when reading the contents. And this is the total functionality of the student. And now we will go to the mentors panel. This is the mentors panel. So mentor can see the student profiles from this option, and they can add course or modify course, and they can add or modify skills to that course. And this is the topics, and this is the lessons, and this is the contents. They can add contents here. So if we see this one, so there are a lot of lessons, and this is the contents. They can add contents, they can drag and drop and order the contents, and it will immediately impact on the course contents. And this is the online test. So we have different type of test. So we have 3 level of test actually: online test, assignment, and offline test. So when mentor will take some exams in paper in classroom, then they will enter the marks in offline exams. So they will input score and to any student batch or group. They will select the student group, and then they will give the score of the students, and it will update their profile, and it will also update the progress of course completion. And then mentor can assign assignment from here. They can assign assignment to a student group or any student batch, and they can set a deadline for that assignment, and a student can upload the assignment to their platform, and mentor will evaluate these assignments. And also mentor can create online test, and they can set duration of that test, and student will conduct that test into the online directly, and the marks will be calculated automatically. And from here mentors can manage peer group. They can create peer group, they can assign team leaders, and then they can add or remove members from that peer group. And also the history can be tracked, and because maybe some students, a student is facing any problem in a group, and after changing his group he is learning faster, or his progress is very good. So we can see the history of his group, that when maybe he was in group 1, and then he transferred to another group. And this is the hangout session. So it's a different purpose, that mentor can create a Google Hangout events. So every day there is an open office hour. Still, mentor can create another event, and they can invite group of students that I'm taking this event. You can join with that event, and a student will notified by email. So they have a session, and this is the forum functionality. So mentor can add or modify categories and subcategories of forum from this option. And this is the total functionality of mentors panel. And this is our admin panel. So from the dashboard we can see some statistics of our whole CodersTrust site. So number of logged in users, number of registered users, and qualified students, and other informations. So this is the total student database of our site. So we can filter these students by different attributes, and we can search them, and we can assign them to any course. So this is the course enrollment system. So mentor will enroll students to a course after in blended learning, because when we will choose some students, the mentor will enroll them into city trial. After completion of trial, if they passed successfully, and then mentor will enroll their students into web development course. And this is the student batch. First batch student, we can see here there is a different student group, and we can add students to any group, and we can move to students from one group to another group. And this is also showing the class schedule and all the students list. And there are some other functionalities too, that deleted students, we can delete students on request. And also we can see the history of that. And okay. So from this option, this is the admin panel of mentors to manage mentor. So we can create or modify or delete mentor account from these options. And this is the CodersTrust members. So if we add or remove any employees or members there, so it will show on CodersTrust about us page. So this is CodersTrust about us page. So we can manage this page from admin panel. And now I will show how a student or any other persons will apply to our system. So this is the join us page for our CodersTrust page. So there is a two option, so join team and join students. So this is join team. So we have several options for internship or job. So they can choose coding, economics, graphic design, teacher or mentor, and they can choose subcategories, and they can choose the type of job, and they can apply from here. And another option is join students. So when they will click join students, they will see two education model. So one is coin based and another is pay as you go. So they will choose this model from here, and after that they can see the whole overview details of that business model, and they can start 1 month free trial from here. And they will come to this page, and they will apply to enroll in our course. And in admin panel we can manage interns from here. So this is the interns database, and we can create a test for them, and we can send test to them. So like that, we have created a test, and then we have sent to some of the applicants, and they replied. They have uploaded the answers as attachment, and we can see their CVs and the answers of the test, and we can evaluate them from this panel. So this is another option, that is FAQ. So there we have a page that is frequently asked questions. We have several frequently asked questions here, so we can manage these questions and answers from this panel. And we have a special feature that is audits. So this is for admin users. When admin user is doing something like changing one student from one group to another group, or maybe delayed student, or any kind of activities, we can track these activities from here. So we can create or modify admin accounts here. And so this is the most important functionality of this admin panel. So many other features we are working on, so we will add these options soon. So that's all. So now back to Ferdinand.
Thank you very much, Ruf. That was a brilliant presentation. I hope this has given you an overview of where we're going and how we're able to systematically target students wherever they are. They might be in the world, currently in Bangladesh, bring them into a system in a very, very systematic process where we're able to capture all the data, bring them into a learning trajectory, and display that on a profile for everyone to view, so it's very, very, very transparent. So this has mainly been the learning side, and in the future one of the things we would be working on would be the work side, on how to channel jobs down to the individual student based on their learning progress. And another thing would be for any users, freelance user, to use this profile system to unify their profile so that they're part of CodersTrust, even though they might only use free learning content and not be enrolled in an actual course, because obviously right now we have a limited capacity for the blended learning model where we're depending on classrooms. But as soon as we're going online and this platform gets more robust, that's where we're really going to see the scale of this use. But I think this system shows how organized it is, and it really validates and proves that we will be able to scale the number of students with this very, very robust platform. So that was it. Thank you very much, and great work, guys.